Listen, you catch me in Red Lobster, I'm in that back corner cuffing them cheese biscuits. Man, I love them little cheese biscuits. But listen, I got something that's gonna top that. I'm gonna show you guys how to make cheese bread. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's get started. Let me tell you what we have here. Right here, we have some cheddar cheese. This is about 3 cups of cheddar cheese. We have our flour here. We have some milk, some melted butter here, and melted butter here, some white sugar. We have an egg here, some baking powder, some sea salt here. And in this dish right here, we have some dried parsley, little sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder. Of course, I'm gonna leave the measurements in the video description, so check it out, guys. Let's get started. To get started, we're gonna add our flour to a big bowl, along with our baking powder, our sugar, and our salt. And we're just gonna mix this until it's combined. Just like that. Next, we're gonna add our cheese. Guys, this is about 3 cups of cheese. Once we get that added, we're just gonna mix that in real good. Guys, you can also use your hand also if you need to use your hand to get it fluffed up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit this aside and we're gonna bring over our milk. We're gonna add our egg to our milk. We're gonna get that baby whisked up. Just like that. We're gonna do some more switcheroo. We're gonna bring our flour back over with our eggs, and we're gonna slowly add our milk mixture to our flour mixture. And we're gonna start getting that mixed up. And once you get it mixed up real good, we're gonna take our melted butter. We're gonna add that. And we're gonna mix this until it's well combined. All right, guys, I think we're good right there. And now we're gonna bring over our bread pan. Got one here. Now I've already buttered that baby up with some cooking spray. You wanna make sure you do the sides of it too. As you can see, that baby's buttered up. And all we're gonna do now is pour our mixture into the pan. And guys, you're just gonna smooth off the top of it. What you wanna do is you just wanna kind of even that baby off. Now, remember, I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna stick it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. And of course, just like cake, when you stick a toothpick in it and it comes out with nothing, that means that it's ready. So I would check it around the 30-minute mark just to make sure, depending on how hot your oven gets or your toaster oven. I'm putting mine in my Paris-Rome air fry oven. So I got the bake feature on here. So I'm gonna put it in there for 35 to 40 minutes, all right? All right, so while your bread is baking, you're gonna take some more of your melted butter that we had, along with the dry seasoning, which is your parsley, your salt, your garlic powder, onion powder, and you're just gonna add it here. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this just like this, and we're gonna use this for a topping. So it's gonna be like our garlic butter topping that we're gonna spread over our bread once it's done, all right? So we're almost done. We're looking at about 5 to 10 more minutes. We're gonna be ready to go, all right? All right, guys, this is after 40 minutes inside my toaster oven. Man, look at this, man, it smells so good. So immediately once it comes out, you wanna go ahead and take your garlic butter sauce or whatever you wanna call it. You wanna immediately brush that with that sauce. All right, guys, we're gonna let this sit and rest for about 5 minutes, just cool down, and then we're gonna remove it from the pan and allow it to rest a little bit more, all right? So we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes, then we're gonna remove it from the pan. All right, so I've taken it out of the pan. I put it here on this wide rack, and I'm just gonna let that baby cool completely now before I start cutting it, because we don't want it to fall apart. We wanna make sure it cools completely, but we're gonna hit it with some more of that That garlic sauce. Man, you can't have enough of that garlic sauce, I'm telling you. And I'm gonna let that baby cool just like that. It'll probably take about maybe 15 to 20 minutes to let it cool completely. And then we're gonna cut into it and see what it's like, all right? All right, so we have let this baby cool down completely. So we're gonna run our knife through here and see what we have. Man, that is beautiful. And there you have it, guys. Baked cheese bread. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. I'm gonna leave the measurements and ingredients in the video description below. All right, let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can taste this moist cheese bread, all right? Quality control time. I'm gonna get a little bit close to this camera so y'all can see this bread, man. Take a look at that plate. Hey, God just tears apart like that. Oh, man. Oh, man. Let's go ahead and try it out. You never have to go to Red Lobster for their cheese biscuits again. All you need to do is the same thing. Make these as biscuits for them. Take that dough that I'm making it, put it in the bread pan, make it as biscuit. Oh man. And until then, guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.